Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Okay. You know, children, someone has come to meet you, and you also know. Okay. You want to meet? Okay. Say hello to Chintu. You remember Chintu? Okay. Now, children, Chintu told me that nowadays, this Chintu and his friends, they stay on the trees, they live on the trees. And sometimes people, when they come to visit or they are outside, they give them food. And nowadays, some good people are also giving them food. But Chintu is not finding many children outside. Yes or no? And you children, you are also in your homes. Yes or no? And you also want to go out, but you are not able to go out. And why? Yes, because of the coronavirus. Now, what is a virus? You know, virus is a kind of like infection, okay, and it is very very small, which we cannot see with our eyes, okay, very 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 small, but it is very dangerous. And you must have heard, you must have seen in the TV, your parents have told you, your teachers have told you that you should not go out. Yes, and what else you should do? Okay, we are going to tell Chintu about all that, but through a story. So let's go and listen to a story. So one fine afternoon, some children were playing. As you can see, there are some children, they were playing with a ball and they were very very happy. Okay, and you know what happened that day? Somebody came. And who came? You know? Yes, you can see the coronavirus, and children had not seen the virus before, so they were all very very scared. They were afraid and they ran away to their homes. Okay, and then they told to their parents. Now the parents, what they did, they took them to the doctor uncle. Okay, now they went to the doctor uncle and told everything what they saw, how they saw the coronavirus. Now the doctor uncle, okay, said, children, don't worry. Okay, I will tell you how you can fight with this coronavirus. Okay, so all the children came. Okay, and then one by one, the doctor uncle told what we should do to fight this coronavirus. Now, the first thing which doctor uncle said was, whenever we go out, we should wear a mask. Children, your mama, papa, they are wearing masks, no, whenever they have to go out? Yes. And then, what else we should do, the children asked? Then, doctor uncle said that you have to wash your hands. Okay, okay, if you go out or you touch somebody, you touch the door, or your hands are dirty, and you should wash it properly. Okay, then what else? The children asked what else we should do. Then Dr. Uncle said that whenever you are going out, okay, you should keep, distance between each other. Like you should, have 6 feet difference. You should not go closer to the, if you are going to a shop, you should not go closer to the what? To the shopkeeper or any other person. Okay. So these things, the children, they went home and they did. And after that, what happened, Who went away? You see, children, the coronavirus itself went away. Yes or no? Interesting or not? Yes? Okay, children. So you saw the story? Okay. Now I am going to tell you and Chintu what else we should do. So children, through the story you saw what things we should do, yes, to fight coronavirus. Today I will tell you and Chintu how we should wash our hands properly. Yes, right. How we should wash? Yes. What we should do, if you are like, we can take this hand wash. Yes, we can take also soap. Okay, we can use Dettol and hand sanitizer. And what we should do, children, for 20 seconds, okay, For how long? For 20 seconds. What you have to do, I'll show you. Like, you will take the soap, okay, and rub your palms properly. Then your hands inside the fingers and your nails, okay. You will wash it properly. Then you have to wash it, rinse it, okay. After rinsing, you have to dry it with your tissue paper or with your towel, okay. And children, whenever you are playing, whenever you are touching your door handle or your lash or anything, okay, you should wash your hands properly. Another thing, before eating and after eating, you should also wash your hands. And sometimes nowadays mama and papa are saying no, always go and wash your hands. You're feeling little bored, but we can make it interesting. How you know? So children, you and Chintu saw how hand washing can be fun. Yes or no? So if you do all these things, okay, we can fight with corona. Yes or not? So sing that do song. Okay, stay at home, stay safe and healthy. That's all for today. Again, we'll meet in the next class. Bye. Say bye to Chintu also. Chintu is saying bye.